Hello, my name is Tishan. Today, me and my teammates going to present about the problem of ozone layer depletion.
Hello, my name is Zarin. My metric number is 24 DTP 20F 2070. Yes, boy.
Hello, my name is Nur Atika binti Rahiman. My number metric is 24 DTP 20F 2006.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel Haziq bin Azmi and my matrix number is 24 DTP 20F 2011.
Introduction. The depletion of the ozone layer is a significant environmental problem that has captured global attention. The ozone layer, located in the Earth's stratosphere, plays a crucial role in protecting life on our planet by absorbing harmful ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun. However, due to human activities and the release of certain chemicals into the atmosphere, such as chlorofluorocarbons, the ozone layer has been gradually thinning. This depletion has resulted in the numerous adverse effects on human health, ecosystem, and the environment as a whole.
On the first question, as a result of releasing gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and so on, can this affect the safe Earth ozone? Okay, we have three charts, that is pie chart, bar chart, and line chart. Okay, we can see that out of 12 people, 8 people have voted for totally agree for the bar chart. Okay, from the line chart also can see decrease and increase. There are total of 8 vote choosing to totally agree more than others. When carbon monoxide is emitted into the atmosphere, it affects the amount of greenhouse gases which are linked to climate change and global warming. This means that land and sea temperature increase, charging to ecosystem, increasing storm activity and causing other extreme weather event. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere warms the planet, causing climate change. Human activity has raised the atmosphere carbon dioxide content by 50% in less than 200 years. Okay, I can so alter the question too. Okay, we can see from the question, this bar chart almost same. 60.7% disagree and the neutral will 33.3% agree and totally agree. It's the same percent, of course. Can see also pie chart and line chart.
Okay, for the third question, is can limiting the production of cars help reduce this problem? So, out of 12 people that are answering the Google form, so we can get the data is 7 out of 12 people is actually agree that cars help reduce this problem. So can limiting the cars lah. So limiting the cars help reduce this problem. So 7 people, which is 58.3% out of 12 out of 100% is actually voting for agree. 25%, which is 3 people vote for totally agree. So the list, if we look at the pie chart, the list percentage for voting is actually number 1 lah. Student doesn't choose don't agree because it actually it's a good thing, limiting the cars reduce the problem lah. And then okay, as we look at the pie chart, 4% is the person is not answered. The total question that is not answered. Okay, so the highest one is actually 11%. Okay, So the next question, number 4, is the effect of the thinning of the Earth's ozone, human will easily get skin cancer. Okay, so this is the highest voting or answers out of 12 people. 7 voting for totally agree. So 58.3% of 100% lah. And also the highest is 10% out of 12 students. Thank you.
In this chart, you can see that the majority of the responders represented by the tall bar rated the impact of cutting down trees uncontrollably as a 5 out of 5 on the scale, which means they totally agree. This indicates a high level of concern regarding the effect on the Earth's ozone layer. The bar chart also shows that there were a few responders who rated it a 4 out of 5, which means they just agreed with statement, indicating a moderate level of concern. Only one responder rated it a 2 out of 5, indicating a relatively lower level of concern. By visualizing the data in this way, we can effectively convey the trend and highlight the general consensus among the responders regarding the impact of uncontrolled tree cutting on the Earth's ozone layer.
For this sixth question, as many as 58.3% vote to strongly agree with the statement, human hands are depleting the Earth's ozone. Besides that, 25% vote to agree with the statement as well as 1% vote to be neutral because of the given statement. Finally, there are 8.3% who strongly disagree about it. I can conclude that many people are aware that one of the causes of the depletion of the Earth ozone is the handiwork of humans themselves. For example, making open burning and so on. For the last question, I get this statement from the newspaper, which is global warming is also one of the cause of the depletion of the Earth's ozone. Only 1% disagree and was neutral about the statement. 25% of which answer agree and half of answer collect, which is 58% answer strongly agree with this statement. They also think that one of the causes of the thinning of our Earth's ozone is because of global warming, which is very severe now. This will make them aware of the importance of caring and can reduce the cause of global warming.
In conclusion, the depletion of the ozone layer poses significant threats to the environment and human well-being. The increase in UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface due to ozone depletion has far-reaching consequences. It can lead to an array of health problems including skin cancer, cataracts, and weakened immune system. Moreover, UV radiation also impacts terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem, disrupting food chains, reducing crop yields, and damaging marine life. While progress has been made, continued efforts are necessary to fully restore and protect the ozone layer. Strengthening global cooperation, promoting sustainable practices, and raising awareness about the importance of ozone protection are crucial steps in mitigating the adverse effect of ozone layer depletion and ensuring a healthier and safer planet for future generations.